you zip up, you'll be able to move.
I don't want to. I want to be able to feel the pain. Oh, I landed! I landed the kickflip.
Do it again. Okay. I'm waiting in the car.
This is horrible.
Oh, I hate this. I'm not doing this to myself. I'm going away to the car.
You can stay in the car.
Yeah. You guys are trying to make me sick. Crazy. Yeah. I was made for warm weather. And he's like complaining, and like I didn't take him to 3 skate parks. Like, are you kidding me, kid? I took you to 3 skate parks, and you're complaining, and you're still going fishing in the cold. It's too cold for me, and I wore 3 pairs of pants, and I'm still freezing, and yep, that just means it's a no. So we're gonna do some readings. Okay. Let's do some readings. Okay, that was awful. Gosh, that was awful. Okay, so let's do a reading. Shall we? I don't know if they're gonna make it over there, but let's do a reading.